family SUV with 710 horsepower. Dodge took the insane idea of stuffing a supercharged Hellcat engine into a three-row SUV and somehow made it work. Is the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat the most ridiculous family hauler ever built? Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we explore vehicles that defy logic. Design. The Durango SRT Hellcat means business from every angle. Aggressive front fascia with massive air intakes hints at the beast within. Functional hood scoop feeds the supercharger, while bold SRT badging announces its intentions. Wide fender flares accommodate performance rubber, and dual exhaust tips deliver a menacing growl. Inside, premium leather and suede create a surprisingly upscale environment. It seats 7 comfortably while maintaining that performance edge throughout the cabin. Performance. The supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V8 is absolutely bonkers in an SUV. This three-row family vehicle rockets to 60 in just 3.5 seconds with a quarter-mile time that embarrasses many sports cars. The supercharger whine is addictive, and the thrust never stops building. Adaptive suspension keeps this heavyweight surprisingly composed through corners. Brembo brakes provide massive stopping power. Towing capacity remains impressive, proving you can haul boats and kids with equal enthusiasm. Features and technology. Technology balances the chaos. The Uconnect infotainment system features a large touchscreen with wireless connectivity and premium audio. Adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring add safety for family duty. Launch control maximizes acceleration while performance pages display vital stats. Selectable drive modes range from efficient to insane. Heated and ventilated seats provide comfort, while the configurable digital gauge cluster keeps things driver-focused. 3 rows of seating offer genuine practicality. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is proof that practicality and performance can coexist. Would you daily drive 710 horsepower? Tell us in the comments. If this review fired you up, hit that like button, share with fellow thrill seekers, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more outrageous vehicle coverage. Drive responsibly.